Welcome back to my channel today.
Welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to my channel today.
So today I'm here with my two daughters, Aliyah and Anais. And Aliyah and Anais have a party in school tomorrow. They are going to be celebrating Dr. Seuss' birthday, and we are going to be making a Dr. Seuss costume today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in the red button down below. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell that is right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to like this video. So now let's get started. So she has to dress like the cat in the hat. So I went to TJ Maxx and I found this sweater for $6. And I tried to find a felt thing, but I couldn't find one. So I found an old sweater that she had that has like a fuzzy white part, and I cut that out. So now I'm just going to glue that onto the sweater so that it looks like that. And then we are going to make the bow. Okay, so I have my glue gun. It's been heating. And now I'm just going to stick it. Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Yo le quiero enseñar.
Okay, vamos a poner eso en el lado para que se seque. So now we have to make the bow, and I got this at Party City, but it was kind of expensive, so I figure I can probably make it myself.
Se lo va a usar.
Sí.
No, yo lo quiero poner.
¿Qué tú quieres poner el qué?
Eso.
Ok, pero no lo vamos a poner todavía. So first I'm gonna cut
No me
off,
lo diste.
sí, the part that I don't need. Tengo una idea.
Una idea. ¿Por qué no?
Para cortarlo mejor. that we made the bow, we're just going to stick it onto the shirt. See. So this is what it looks like. Cat in the hat, and it goes with the hat. Just
Mami,
like that.
me los quiero poner. Yo quiero ponérmelo.
And that's what I did to make this Cat in the Hat Dr. Seuss costume. Thank you guys for watching this video today. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe in the red button that says subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on the notification so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Digan bye. No voy a decir bye.
Bye.
Bye.